Hello and welcome to my channel. This is the chart of the gold. This is daily chart of the gold. If you have seen my previous videos, you will see that I had given these three supports, and gold what did do? Retested all. First stopped here and then with just one stick retested all and went up. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe my channel, like this video, and watch other videos that are regarding gold. All the gold analysis, please watch those videos also. And now let us go with this analysis. Now after retesting, gold is going up and gold is bullish. Now I don't count this as a resistance. According to my analysis, gold will be going up to 1807 first. That is a real resistance. And if we count this as a resistance, then this is not at 1786 or 84. This is at 1784.83. If the gold enters into 1785, it will go up to the 1807. If there are any buyers, then the safe bias is above 1784, means 1785, 1786. It is a clean up to this 1807. And 1807 is a strong level, a strong resistance, that we don't know what will happen here. Maybe it is resisted here or breaks out, because there are many fundamentals like the war is going on in Ukraine and the crash of crypto. These are the two main fundamentals that are the reasons for the bullish trend of the gold. Now this is for buys, and I will record another video when how the gold behaves at this level. Now all the retests here, the downward move was for the retests, and with one stick it retested all. So first support worked here, sent the gold back up, but then after retesting it is going upward. Now I think the real battle is going to start on 1807. Then we will know the other picture. I will update you of the gold. And if you haven't watched my GBP JPY analysis, that worked very well, and the Euro JPY. So please watch also those of my videos and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye for now. I'll be coming in the next video with another analysis. And if you have any thing you don't feel comfortable, how do I explain before you, please let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching. Bye for now. I'll be coming in the next video with another analysis.